are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, MP3 player, child safety locks, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.